Hello, today we are going to look at Microsoft Teams. Teams is where you will be joining virtual meetings for all your courses, so it will be important to understand how it works. The first step is to open Teams. You may have noticed Teams automatically start when you first log into your computer and the app is on your taskbar at the bottom. If it doesn't automatically start, don't worry. You can search for Teams by typing in the name in your search bar. When you open Teams, it usually defaults to your last activity. But to see all your Teams courses, click on the Teams on the left side. If you open a Teams course, you will notice your course posts, you'll see files and other resources that teachers may have added to your course. Now to join your virtual meetings, you need to click on your calendar on the left side. Here you should see all your scheduled meetings. This calendar is going to keep you very organized. To join the meeting, you will click Join when it appears on the meeting invite. Note the Join button will not appear until 5 minutes before the meeting. When you join a meeting, take note of the menu bar at the top. You will need to make sure your video is turned on and your microphone should be muted unless you are speaking. You can also adjust your background by clicking on the 3 little dots. You have several options to choose from, but make sure the background that you are choosing is not too distracting. If you want to ask a question, you can use the chat feature. If you want to just ask your teacher the question, you can change it from everyone to just your teacher. One other option to note is the closed captions. This is under the 3 dots as well. Another thing you can do if you have a question is to use the raise your hand feature in your menu bar. This will indicate to the teacher that you have a question. The last thing we want to review for your virtual Teams meeting is etiquette. Make sure you are on time to your meetings. Always log on a few minutes before class begins. Try to find a quiet place where you can concentrate. Using earbuds may help eliminate distractions for you. Be respectful when participating. A good life motto is always be kind and be considerate. Also, be an active participant. Try to stay focused and attentive, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Communication will be key in a virtual meeting. Make sure that you speak clearly and look at the camera. When you are not communicating, make sure that you mute yourself. And lastly, be prepared. Make sure your computer is charged, your camera is on, and use headphones if you have them. Keep in mind that if you are disrupting, or misbehaving in any way, a teacher does have the option to remove you from the virtual class. But if you follow these tips, your virtual learning will go much more smoothly.